strategy, and strategy is a word I am sure all of you know has been derived from the armed forces. It's a war room strategy from which this word came into management. Then each of the organizations tends to have a quality policy these days. So these are some of the things that you can work on in details once the second part of the exercise is done. May not be here, I don't think we'll have time here to do that. Any of you relate to this one? Anything that comes to your mind on reading this? Any connection that comes to your mind? Hina created this connection in my mind. So I am trying to see whether she came up with this and she says, what is this? I said, I don't know. Any of you connect with it? Yes, education, sure. Institute, organization, wonderful. Which organization? Academic institution, wonderful. Okay, any other? The teachers, wonderful, great. Now you see how the same statement elicits so many different responses. Imagine for a moment if we pull that together, what a fantastic document we can create out of that, right? But there is something more that I am looking for. Little louder so that everybody hears. Do we have a mic or something? Okay, please.
It's just that what we have understood as a preschool students and then as a secondary is that mission is something that an organization has which translates into society, the world. And vision is how the organization visions itself over a period of time.
Well, see, these are multiple interpretations that are possible. As you rightly said, that vision is a much wider thing when you talk of the entire society, whereas mission is a more focused kind of thing, but they have to be linked. I cannot have a vision like our beauty queens do. What did Shushmita Sen say on stage? Caring and sharing and this and that. I want to be Mother Teresa is my ideal, and you all know what she did after that. So I don't know where is the connect between Mother Teresa and her. I still am trying to find that link. So what I am trying to say is that they have to be linked, and I said in the beginning there are multiple definitions, infinite number of definitions. Broadly speaking, what I understand, and I may be wrong, is that vision is a wide dream, very big thing that I want to do. Mission is that dream is concretized into something which is doable, and then that doable is further into goals and targets, which is further doable. इस 6 महीने में हमें ये करना है. So vision is to contribute education to society. Mission is to create a B school. You could contribute by starting a nursery school also. There is no stopping you. That is also part of your bigger vision. And in fact, most educational societies run from kindergarten to postgraduate or even doctorate programs. So that's so. I totally agree with you that there could be multiple interpretations. There is nothing wrong or right about these things. It is just the way that I would like to look at it, and nothing is right, nothing is wrong here. In social sciences, for instance, it slips my mind who said it, but there's this person who said that unlike in the sciences, in social sciences what you are saying is right, but what the opposite of that is also right. Which in math, for instance, it won't happen. 2 plus 2 is 4, any other answer is wrong. Like we were doing baby richa. But in social sciences, different paths may lead to the same thing. All great people, when you look at, none of them has probably done the same thing. What Mother Teresa did is not what Sachin Tendulkar did. M.F. Hussain didn't do any of that. So, whoever you take, you have, some different kind of. Similarly, vision and mission, there are no standard definitions to the best of my knowledge. Nobody has accepted any particular standard as that. So, the broad picture is, broad thing is vision, concretize it into a mission, and then have targets for 1 year, 6 months, 2 years, whatever. And then you strategize to achieve those targets. Okay, any other comment on this one? Sorry? Shared values, okay, any other connect? एक और connect ढूंढ रहा था मैं. Anyway, let me show you the next, maybe. So this is an example of vision, this is an example of mission. Not that I agree with it entirely, I may have my opinions, but okay, you are coming closer. That is how Hina stumped me when I told her this is the program we have to do. She produced this and I was in your shoes, didn't know her. That is why, she is a huge contributor. She keeps on questioning, asking tough questions. So, I have to be always on my toes. These are the vision and mission statements of. So that is the connect I was trying to find, that where is the connect, where is the connect. Now you know how tough my associate is, puts me in the dock. So I put you in the dock, not really, because I am in the same boat. Okay, so that is why I don't agree with it, is this too big, If we get time, I will show you the vision and mission that we have. Okay, luckily I have it in my pocket, suddenly remembered, just which is there in these slides also. Our vision, third millennium vision, is be the first in the mind space of everyone for their consulting needs. Be the first in the mind space of everyone for their consulting needs. That is our vision in third millennium. What is our mission? Helping to achieve client missions by co-creating value additions. What is our mission? Helping to achieve client missions. We are there for the client, we are consultants. Helping to achieve client missions by co-creating value additions. Co-creating, client और हम मिलके we will co-create. If any of you have read the book by, the last book by late C.K. Prahlad and M.S. Krishnan, you will find this concept of co-creation of value. Okay, right. So, now this one, another example of a mission, and that's where, ma'am, I totally agree with you. You will find differences, and that's why I have put it there, so that you can see for yourself that different organizations have different missions and visions. This is again a mission. चलें आगे? So again a vision, or rather case. करूं आगे? किसका है ये? Okay, so now I'll move fast. I'll give you two more examples quickly. Another vision. Very clearly, the word institute is mentioned here. Mission. So there they talk about, please, ma'am, see how they have done it. Institute that is globally recognized, right? This is a big thing. Then when you come to the mission, it talks about to transform India. India is certainly part of the world, but our focus is India. That is what I am saying. Okay. Done? Okay. Which organization? They have some objectives also which you can later on go through. I don't have to tell you which one this is, right? Another vision. Again, you nationally top ranked, research driven, independent management institution. Any guess? Okay. So, certain aspects of mission. Sorry. So, I picked up the top two in India. IIM Ahmedabad has always been on the top, though it has close competition from some others. And ISB, a truly set up, IIM Ahmedabad was set up way back in the early 60s, and ISB was set up in the early 2000s. So, therefore, there is an obvious difference in the way they approached the whole thing. Okay. Now, we back to the case study. Now, you see what you need to do is go to part 2. Now, you have you have captured for step 1 your broad missioning and visioning. The things that you captured relate to the step 1. Now, we are taking you into strategizing. So, now I have given you some hints here as to how you will do this. So, you can have your paper and pencil and try to answer these questions. I have tried to make it, we have by giving these questions here, we have tried to make it easier, knowing the constraints. So, please try to answer these questions. You are all familiar with SWOT analysis. And please remember, when you do a SWOT, you need to always remember the strengths and weaknesses lie within whatever you are analyzing, and the opportunities and threats lie outside of whatever unit you are analyzing. It could be an individual, could be a department, could be an entire B school, could be an entire country. So, strengths and weaknesses have to be within, and threats, opportunities and threats have to be outside. So, this part we will come to in the end in case time permits, but Ansoff is the creator of SWOT analysis. So, for your facilitation, this diagram will help. Internal and external. Please tell me 10 minutes before you want to break for tea. After 15 minutes? Okay, wonderful. So, you have about 10 to 15 minutes pre-tea to answer these questions. And obviously, you can, this case is going to be with you, you can keep on adding to it later. We are only doing an exercise so that you become familiar as to how to go about doing it. And I am sure you can add on all the time. So, in the next 10 to 15 minutes, kindly answer these questions on strengths, weaknesses, and as you can see, if you read the instruction sentence, you are now expected to do a SWOT analysis in the written form. Please read this carefully. The following questions are suggested to help you analyze the situation, but it is expected that you shall cover more areas beyond these based on your experiences in your work situations. Please understand the difficulty that I told you in the beginning, that visioning, missioning is typically done for one particular organization, where all of you have a similar situation. So, here you can take some of the problems or some of the situations that Alpha Business School faces, and then add on to it that you have experienced in your B school or the earlier place where you worked, etc., so that it becomes more comprehensive. And please ask questions you have a problem. I hope I am not moving too fast. Okay. You see the page 4 onwards, there is space for each, but please remember this part you have to submit so that we can create one big this thing out of it by adding on all of that. So initially it may be useful if you jot down in some other space and then or the back side of that sheet or whatever is comfortable to you, and then put it in a structured format in the spaces provided. So you can do it in your notebook so that you have both for reference, and then transfer it post the tea break. We will try and have a little collective thinking also. Maybe in groups of 4 or 5 you can exchange your thoughts so that some common thing emerges. So those last 8 pages have to be given back so that we can consolidate, and maybe in some time it can be given back to you. And I'll request the organizers, if your originals can be photocopied and returned to you, something like that can be done, that will be wonderful. Great. Okay, that's a wonderful idea. All of you have your mobile phones, so before you submit, you take snaps of all the pages. Wonderful. Technology usage. Thank you, sir, for reminding me. That is a great suggestion. We can very well save cutting down of many trees by doing that. Yeah. As I said, if you read the top line, it says as per case surely, but if you want to add a dimension or two, because we are looking at a broad picture of what a B school should be like using all your contributions. So you can always add a dimension or two, no problem. Yes, sir. You don't have this. There's some spare copy available. And when you write it down finally in the format, kindly ensure legible handwriting. For my students, I always say the marks you get will be inversely proportional to the irritation you cause to me through your writing. So it has to be legible, you know. So, my own handwriting is terrible, therefore, you know, I always caution the others. That is there, but caution कर देने से फिर उनका भी फायदा हो जाता है ना. अगर समझ ही नहीं आएगा तो क्या मार्क्स दूं उनको, बहुत अच्छा भी लिखा होगा तो. So as she very rightly asked, please feel free to add points from your side. The case study was given only because you all are from different B schools. So at least let us have some common platform. Beyond that, you can always add on. And you will kindly notice there are no names asked for. So if you are keeping your own snapshot on your mobiles, then you need not write any names here, because then it need not be given back to you the copy. So you can have confidentiality, no problem. Because we are not interested in any particular individual's feedback, we are interested in developing an overall what could be good for B schools in general. That's where your contribution comes in. And all your names can be put in, participants of this program contributed this whole thing. Are you through? Okay, so I would suggest try to finish up. I know this is a extended exercise which can go on and on. I told you we do a 3-day visioning workshop. So I go at a much slower pace and develop at each pace. But I have two requests to make. One, you keep on continuing to add as and when a thought comes to your mind. And during the tea break, I would request you, there are two ways of doing it, but I would propose the second one. Way one, which we normally do, is that it is one organization, every